How to change photo date and time on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on gallery app. Now here, so click on picture. So after click on photo, so after click on photos, if you want to change photo date and time, so click on this three dot icon. So after click on this three dot icon, click on first option details. So after click on details, you will see date and time is here. So if you want to change, so click on this edit icon. So after click on this edit icon, so click on date. So after click on date, you will see. So if you want to change date, so change date from here and change month from here and change year from here. So after change, date time, and after the process click on save, you will see you will change date and time from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can change photo date and time on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.